Hello folks, it's the Wolf Hunter. Got another little project for me. My nephew brought these by. He picked these up at a estate auction. And this is what he got on the cheap. Now I've already finished the Winchester one. He just wants them cleaned up. And this is the Winchester Model 1912. It's in 16 gauge. And it was rusty like this one. It was like this. Like the Winchester here. And I cleaned it up. Did some research on it. This gun was made in 1914. And it uses a different 16 gauge shell than our modern shells. They're a little smaller. So I let my nephew know about that to make sure he shoots the right shells. This one here, Savage in 17 H&R with a heavy barrel on it. And then there's this one. Still got the tag on it. A little tag. Ward's Westernfield 22. I looked this one up too. Winchester 94 3030. This was made in 1980. And this is a Glenfield 25 and 22 caliber. And a little H&R 410 single barrel. Now all he wants me to do is clean these up and function check them. So you got a little rust on this one. He does have the magazine for this. Don't have a magazine, but he does have it. But like I said, this one, this is how it came out. Like I said, it was just like the Winchester. It was really rusted bad, like very neglected. It's very sad, especially since this is a Model 1912, not a Model 12 Winchester. Model 12 Winchesters came out in, I think, 1947. I could be wrong. But, yeah. And I'm getting ready to go at them. Take them apart. Clean them up. And then give them back to them. Now, I have not forgot about the black powder guns, the traditions, for my buddy. I'm going to get those too, but I just wanted to show you these. So I'm going to be busy for a little while doing something, even though these are not mine. But hey, it's what I like to do, and I enjoy bringing it to you. So thanks for your watching my videos, giving me those thumbs up and subscribing, and don't forget to share. So until next time, God bless America. Stay safe and watch your six. And I stand with the people of Ukraine.